waiting for parts just isn't an option. You got to go to head office. Perfect weather to be stuck in the shed building a car down at KFAB. Yeah, it's Good Friday. Hope everyone's having a great Easter, and yeah, stay tuned for this cage. We're going to drop a cage in today. I got the fuel cell this week off Gumtree, so yeah, let's get stuck into it. Cut this out down here, go section up and across. So we got the cage all tucked now. B's just gonna weld it all out. Got heaps of room with the intrusion bars in here. Enough room to swing off the steering wheel, and yeah, put some rear legs down the back, but just gonna get some more material next week. Another early morning at Clark's Irons. Yeah, got to get in there and smash some work out before we can get down to case fabrication. It's been a while since we've had a chance to work on the hot rod. Just been putting new business plans into play and stuff to keep everyone busy and try and keep all the staff employed. Yeah, it's tough times, but we're getting through it. And, it's looking like it's on its way up. So. Yeah, we're going to head back down there today. We're going to have to reassess where we're at, but we've got some more roll cage tubing in the back. We've got the fuel cell mounts to drop in. I've got the steering column. Yeah, so it should be a good day. Pumped to see what we can push out. Sorry, bro. Sure, I can. Yeah, good that is. folding in thongs the other day. Landed between my fucking toe.
In the wedding.
Yeah, my big one too. I couldn't shake it out. I was like, it wouldn't come out. But I was trying to throw the thong off and it was down in between the thong. Alright, rear end's getting sorted. We've got all the bars here that tie the coil overs off. We've just decided to go with a bit of pipe on the top here. Rear legs will come through, obviously being roll cage. Up into the rear hoop, up on the inside there. Got this is a bit of a rear crash bar. It's the bigger roll cage hoop. Just so if we do take a hit in the back here, we'll, you know, not be hitting straight onto here into the fuel tank. Sweet.
Yep, there.
Yep. Cam locks going in. Just taking the centre part up. We've got enough room off here to be able to lift the cab off. Come straight down to the strut tops here.
Good. Christ. What have I got myself in, dude?